Good evening sa lahat. So ngayong gabi nga pala since magdi-dinner kami, may pupuntahan tayong perfect and good restaurant na maire-recommend ko ngayon pa lang dito sa San Pedro. And it is located on GSIS Holiday Hills. Yung location, ibibigay ko na lang sa description as usual. So that when you click the link, it will open Google Maps and direct you to the exact location. So pagbaba nyo ng GSIS, siguro mga 200 meters nasa right side siya. So, first thing that I noticed dito sa restaurant na to is yung dedicated parking. Hindi ka mawawala ng parking dito and I recommend dinner when you're going here, but it's in your own preferences kasi ako gusto ko yung hindi masyadong matao para na-enjoy ko yung pagkain. Then after you park, may hallway dito, para nga siyang eskinita kumbaga. Then the restaurant is located on the second floor. Yan. So, you have to go up. At i-greet na kayo ng napakabait na si Kuya Guard. Okay? Ang tawag sa restaurant ay, ang pangalan nila ay Pali Pali Restaurant. Equivalent sa Tagalog na bilis-bilis or quickly. So, I'm not sure if it's about the serving time. Because of course, hindi ka naman pwede madaliin kumain, no? What I like in this place is, it is may enclosed room sila na dedicated for you to dine in. Meron din sa labas. So, if walang slot, syempre, outside kayo kakain dun sa consolidated yung mga tables. So, ito i-breakdown lang ni wife yung mga in-order namin or in-order niya for us.
Combo set B, 1,450. Meron siyang jajangmyeon, tatsuyuk, yung pork na parang sweet and sour, and then bokimbap. Parang siyang fried rice. Tapos, nag-add kami parang kay Alfred ng bulgogi kimbap. At saka, dahil anniversary namin, titigal kami ng galbiji. Para siyang braised beef short ribs. Yun lang.
Okay, so since we had the order na-place na namin yung order, tinimeran ko yung serving time, which is one of the most important part on ordering into a restaurant. So yan, dumating yung orders namin. Initially, it took us like 19 minutes to wait for the first serving, which is actually pretty good. Pero maraming factors yan ha. Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na congestion when it comes to restaurant. But also, syempre, we have to take into consideration kung maraming na-order, maraming customers, the time of serving time might adjust a little bit. So, ito na. Ito nga pala yung mga in-order namin. So, this one is galbijim. It is actually a braised beef short ribs. This one is tangsuyuk. Parang sweet and sour siya ng Korean. And the next dish is the jjajangmyeon and gimbap. Actually, may dumating pa and yung pinakahuling dumating is pork fried rice, which is actually good. Hindi ganun kaalat and it's perfect for me. So, lahat ng pagkain dito is napakasarap. Perfect na perfect siya para sa akin. If I will describe it, hindi ko na i-describe yung tangsuyuk, yung fried rice, yung jjajangmyeon because it is a common Korean dish na available dito sa Pilipinas. But the galbijim, I do not know. Pero ito dito ako nakafocus, dito ako nasarapan sa braised beef na may sabaw na to. So, if I will explain it, para siyang bulalo ng Pilipinas, ex-pares. Parang pinagsama siya. No? And sobrang sarap niya para sa akin. Itong jjajangmyeon, by nature, maalat talaga yan since para siyang pansit natin hindi naman siya sobrang alat but I prefer eating it with fried rice para ma-neutralize yung flavor niya. And the rest like tangsuyuk and yung galbijim, most of us already tasted Japanese food and it is identical to that. So, but the most important thing is nag-enjoy kami kumain lalong-lalo na sa kids, no? Kids friendly lalong-lalo na yung tangsuyuk. Kasi parang sweet and sour. We all know that kids' palate is usually attached to sweetness. Cook in perfection? Wow! Of course, the most important part is the bill reveal. Para sa lahat ng yun, na-bill kami ng 2,395 pesos, which I think it's not cheap no? But it is worth it. Ba't ko ba nasabing ganun? Kasi meron tayong kinakain ng restaurant na tinatry natin. And then, we get frustrated at the end of the day na parang ba't ang mahal? Tapos, hindi naman siya something na pwede mong balik-balikan or mai-recommend mo. But, overall, itong restaurant na to, I highly recommend it. Lalong-lalo na sa family dine out. And bago ko makalimutan, they are open Tuesday to Sunday, 12 noon to 9 p.m. And the last order will be taken around 8:30 p.m. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like this video.